Today I am also in the chapter electrostatics, in which we study about potential and calculation of potential at any point on electric dipole. So at first we know that what is the potential. Potential is the electric dipolic phenomena in which electric potential of any object stated the state when an object are in contact, charge conducted to each other. Similarly, as increasing the charge, potential increases, and reducing the charge, potential reduces. Similarly, just an example, if we fill water into a pot, we observe the water level increased, but when we reduce the water from the pot, the water level gradually decreases. Hence, the potential depends on increasing of charges, then potential of dipole is increased, and when we decreases the charges, potential gradually decreases. On the potential, we study about calculate potential on electric dipole. In this chapter, the potential, we study to find a potential difference at any point, how to calculate. This calculation depends on some of the conditions. So we come to the condition 1. Condition 1, that is, विद्युतीय द्विध्रुव के कारण किसी बिंदु पर विभव किस प्रकार ज्ञात करेंगे. Potential at a point due to an electric dipole, how to calculate. This is today condition first. Potential at a point due to an electric dipole. इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल के कारण किसी बिंदु पर पोटेंशियल किस प्रकार ज्ञात की जाती है, अर्थात विद्युतीय द्विध्रुव के कारण किसी बिंदु की विभव. चलिए हम लोग ज्ञात करते हैं. हियर द सम स्ट्रक्चर इज गिवन. AB is a dipole on which plus q coulomb charge and on B minus q coulomb charge is situated. The distance of AB is 2L and BO is equal to OA, that is L. Here O is the electric dipole midpoint, that is the center. From center, the point P where we find and calculate the potential is D. We let यहाँ पर हम O से P की दूरी को D मान लिए हैं, O से A की दूरी को L मान लिए हैं, तो A और P की दूरी D माइनस L होगा। O से P की दूरी को D मान लिए हैं, O से B की दूरी L है, इसलिए B से P की दूरी डेल D प्लस L होगा। You have to study very sincerely this given diagram. Now, suppose AB is a dipole. AB is a dipole where plus q coulomb and minus q coulomb is situated gradually A and B. Therefore, the distance between A and B, A and B equal to 2L. Hence, OA equal to OB equal to L. OP equal to D. Therefore AP equal to D minus L and BP equal to D plus L. Above information on the basis of this given diagram, so now we are coming to know about the how to find the potential difference on an electric dipole, that is P पर हम लोग इसके कैलकुलेट करने चल रहे हैं कि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस यानी और पोटेंशियल क्या है। In this diagram, we study about AB is a dipole whose center is O. P and P1 is the point where we have to find potential from O, from A and from B. Now, we come to know potential at a point P, at a point P due to चार्ज प्लस Q के कारण P बिंदु की पोटेंशियल क्या होगी? दैट इज 1 into Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into D minus L। ए बिंदु से पोटेंशियल P बिंदु के लिए जानने के लिए हम A से P की दूरी dl को लेते हैं, यानी चार्ज Q से हम P की पोटेंशियल को जानना चाहते हैं। नाउ फ्रॉम B पोटेंशियल at a point P due to charge minus Q coulomb, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus Q upon D minus D plus L। हम A पॉइंट से P की पोटेंशियल के लिए, B पॉइंट से P की पोटेंशियल के लिए दो तरह के एक्सप्रेशन को ड्रॉ किए। नाउ वी कम टू नो अबाउट द रिजल्टिंग पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट P। At point P means A plus B dipole और प्लस Q प्लस माइनस Q से हम रिजल्टिंग पोटेंशियल P बिंदु पर खोज रहे हैं। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड द रिजल्टिंग पोटेंशियल at point P, then we have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into plus Q upon D minus L plus this minus Q upon D plus L। Now when we calculate, then 4 pi epsilon naught is to Q 1 by D minus L minus 1 by D plus L। It is the clear calculation. If you have any doubt, then state frankly, we deal it in also in easier form. Now we take 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into del D plus L minus D plus L upon D square minus L square। That is the formula of A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square। On this basis D square minus L square is written here, dd. Now abolish, then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2l upon d square minus l square. Clear? L 2l q into d square minus l square, that is here some p equal to q into 2l and m equal to q into 2l, that is dipole moment. So therefore we come to know about 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p upon d square minus l square. Clear? Here q into 2l is p and q into 2l is m, that is dipole moment. So we write it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught m upon d square minus l square. This is the potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Now I am going to discuss about another conditions to finding out the potential on a dipole of the point P2 that is also away from the dipole AP. So we come to study about again as a resulting potential at point P1. At point P1, similarly we are going to discuss about when P1 is directed to the minus q coulomb charge, when the point P1 is directed to minus q charge, hence the resulting potential due to point P1 is as similar as the potential at point P. So we write it also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 2l upon d square minus l square, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p upon d square minus l square. 2l into q equal to p, that is m. The m stated about the potential moment. potential moment of a dipole that we placed here as similar as the potential at point P. So that is 4 pi epsilon naught into m upon d square minus L square. This is the resulting phenomena of the potential that is away from the dipole as P1 and P and P1 according to this diagram. So if you have any of problems, any of doubt, unsolved resulting that is given by me in front of you, then you may ask, you may raise some questions that we deal again very nicely. Thanking to you, and now we are going to the condition 2. Condition 2. Here is the condition 2. When a dipole is bisected equally from the perpendicular of the potential P at point O. Now the condition 2. When the point is perpendicular on dipole, on dipole as equidivisor axis, as equidivisor axis. This is the second conditions of electrostatics to finding out the potential P if P is perpendicularly to the dipole. Here is AB, the dipole, have plus Q and minus Q charge. O is the center on which a perpendicular is drawn from the point P, that is as the perpendicular P is far from a distance D, and the distance of dipole is 2L. Therefore OB become L, OA become L. Here OA equal to OB equal to L, AB is 2L and OP is D, distance. Hence, according to Pythagoras, AB is d square plus L square over root, and Bp also d square plus l square. Clear? L square. Now A dipolic end is charged by Q plus B, that another dipolic end charged by Q coulomb. Therefore, potential due to A plus Q is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q plus Q upon root under d square minus l square, said to be an equation 1. Clear? The online class is much better to a student. They assumed just as the teacher is behind me and saying about how to take the second and further the step to get a conclusion. एक कंक्लूजन को प्राप्त करने के लिए ऑनलाइन क्लास में आपके जस्ट बगल में बैठे टीचर की आभास होगी कि टीचर हमें इस तरह से स्टेप बाय स्टेप अगला स्टेप क्या होगा इस चीज़ को बता रहे हैं. सो यू हैव मेक ए सीरियस स्टडी ऑन द व्यूइंग class supported by the teacher as your friend behind you and in front of you, and you have many of book and notebook that supported you. So similarly potential due to B carrying the charge minus Q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon root under d square plus l square. This is the equation second. Now we going to study about, after knowing the dipole end A value in equation 1 and dipole B value in equation 2. Now what is the resulting potential at point P? Resulting potential at P due to plus Q and minus q charges. Hence 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into plus q upon root under d square plus l square plus minus q upon root under d square plus l square, और 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is q. If we take q aside, then it may become, or come to know here in simpler and easy rules, q upon del d square plus l square minus q upon d square plus l square, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 0 equal to 0, that is. Now we come to at the resultant potential due to the dipole AB. If potential difference is perpendicular to the dipole as equidivisor point, then according to axial rule, left to the center is negative and right to the center is positive. Therefore, positive and negative cut together become 0. Hence 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 0 equal to 0, that is 0 when a potential difference is perpendicularly bisect AB at point O, then their potential is 0. Hence, now next online classes I am again in front of you with the another questions as a condition third. If the point P is anywhere from the dipole AB, then their result will be ideal in next day at the same time, at the same place, knowing about you better and better than to understand their step-wise solutions. Thank you.